1. Sell items you aren't using anymore. Your old tools, clothes, DVDs, CDs, video games, records, books, and household items could be worth a few bucks to someone else. Host a yard sale, take your items to a local resale shop, or post the items for sale online. Resale shops often focus on a particular item, such as clothing, books, or video games. Search online for a shop in your area. If you want to sell your items online, try eBay or Amazon. As another option, sell your items locally through Craigslist or your local classifieds. 2. Flip clothes and accessories from thrift stores or yard sales in online auctions. Look for clothes and accessories that are in good condition, especially items from popular brands. Post your items for sale online through sites like eBay, Etsy, and Depop. Price them so that you'll make a profit, even after you pay for shipping. It may take time for your items to sell, so be patient. When you first get started, look up the items you plan to resell to get an idea for how much they go for. Then, add in estimated shipping costs, which you can find by visiting your local postal service website. That way, you don't accidentally pay too much for the items. It's helpful to stick to items you know about. For instance, look for items from stores you know, or pick up brands that are easy to recognize. Similarly, you might focus your efforts on products you have some expertise in, like vintage video games or designer purses. Variation, as another option, you might resell clearance items from popular stores. If you combine sale prices with coupons or store loyalty points, you might get great deals that allow you to make a profit by reselling these new items online. 3. Hunt for underpriced used books that you can sell online. Download an app that reads ISBN numbers so you can scan the barcodes on books. This will pull up the book's current price on Amazon so you can see if it's worth trying to resell it. Then, visit used bookstores, thrift stores, and garage sales to look for high-value books. Post the books for sale online using sites like Amazon or eBay. You will likely need to scan a lot of books before you find one that's worth reselling, so persistence is key. It's best to keep a low profile as you do this. 4. Try flipping houses if you have experience with making home repairs. As you may know from watching popular home improvement shows, flipping homes involves buying up a lower-valued property that needs work, and then fixing it up for resale. To get started, you'll need to have financing either through a bank or partner. Then, you can buy a property that's priced below market value. After you renovate the property, you may be able to sell it for a profit. Check out the link description below.